Kule, the electronic bike lock. This will change the way you think about a bike lock forever. It's easy to use, light and cheap. The lock is mounted like a conventional frame lock with 2 bolts. It looks the same, but there is where all similarity ends. The lock doesn't use a conventional key but an RFID tag. This makes it harder to lose your key. The lock has a built-in battery pack that gives it up to 2 weeks of autonomy. It also has a micro USB B port for charging. Through this port you can also reprogram and update the lock. With safety in mind, the lock is made of steel like conventional bike locks. The use of the lock is simple. The green light on top of the lock confirms the lock is open. The red light blinks when you close the lock. If the lock is closed, the red light blinks every 15 seconds to confirm the lock is closed. This is used as an extra theft prevention. Opening the lock requires the same actions as you use for closing. The RFID tag can also be scanned by an NFC certified smartphone and cloud. This can make exchanging keys much easier. These keys can also have a timestamp, which means they can expire, which profits bike rental services. This is the electronic bike lock by Kule. I'll hope you see the future like us.